Yeah, this Telangana Angels team will be continued for 1 month continuously. Every week, some program will be happening online like this only. So, having said this, I would like first Madhurita Gupta to introduce herself and her journey in brief, and how she's associated, or how does she want to contribute to Telangana Angels further also. Thank you, Madhurita.
Hi, good morning to everyone. It's a pleasure to be part of a lot of women groups and also the Telangana Angels, which is contributing towards the successful partnership with the women entrepreneurs, as well as providing them with the network and the investment circle, which is very much required for the state. And I'm very proud to be part of the Telangana Angels because it was one vision. And when we were talking, it was very clear that we wanted to support the local entrepreneurs because there are a lot of investment circle which are very specific to specific geographical area. But as such, Telangana is developed, but still at the grassroots, nothing much has been happening for the early stage startups. So our focus is to give the hand-holding support to such women entrepreneurs as well as the other startups who want that seed funding from the start so that they can reach the scale, not only the funding, but the support in mentorship as well as the entire network and the ecosystem to those kind of startups who can not only scale to a greater level, but in future can be unicorn also from the state. And a lot of my portfolio companies in the Goa Angel Network are also from the Telangana who are doing amazingly good. So with Telangana Angels, we would definitely be providing the entire platform of Goa Angels so that they can connect with the investors, not only from India, but different part of the countries. So that is our focus. And the MSME, of course, the government schemes, grants, and all these supports are available for the entrepreneurs, specific to the women as well, which is collateral-free grants as well as the loans, which can help these startups in a much scale. So
Thank you. Thank you, Madhurita, for the brief intro. So again, on 27th, we might be calling government officials, MSME chairs and heads, and again, we will have a online session like this. So this was a briefer version for the co-founders directors to begin the program today. Thank you, and once again, and